If you have a premium membership, you can also save your recipes into your recipe box. So once you've got it typed into your book, you can go over here and hover over the name of the recipe. You'll see these three dots pop up. Click the dots and it says add to recipe box. You can choose the category you want to put it into, or if you don't have them set up yet, just say no category and click save. If we go up here, you'll see that your recipe is now in the recipe box. If you want to go the other way and you've got a recipe already typed in your recipe box that you want to add into your book, you just go to the book, choose which section, click add new, add recipe from my recipes, and it pulls up the sections in your book. Click appetizers. Here we go. I've got a bruschetta recipe, and there it is. It's now in my book.